Welcome to this short tutorial demonstrating how to use the Cite feature in GMIT Libraries Search and Find. This great citation tool lets you easily cite the books, articles and other items you find in the library. This is really useful because you have to cite all the sources you use in your assignments, as you must give credit to the work of others. Here's how to use the Cite tool. Perform a search using Search and Find from the library homepage. Simply type in your title or some keywords. From the results list, click on the title of any article or book that you want to cite. Click on the Cite icon on the right side of the article. A pop-up window will appear with the article or book cited in some common formats. Make sure you know which style you need to use for your assignment you are working on. The most common format used in GMIT is Harvard. So scroll through the list until you find the required citation format, in this case Harvard, and highlight the citation using your browser's copy and paste function. All you do then is add the citation to your assignment. I have a Word document open and I'm pasting the citation into the Word document. When you are finished, click the X in the corner to close the Cite tool. Please note it is up to you to check that you have all the information you need for the citation and that the format is correct. If you need any help or guidance, you can refer to GMIT's referencing guides. Thank you.